Territory management in the ServiceJan platform. When you first gain access to ServiceJan, there are many settings and features you can customize to match your business operations. One of those features is territory management. To enable it, go to Configuration. You can either browse the settings or use the search box and type Territory. Once located, simply enable the feature and click Save. Territory management is now activated, and all territory, area, zip code, and coverage-related features become available throughout the platform. You will now see areas and territories in the top submenu, as well as territory management in the main navigation menu for quick access. Territory management helps organize service coverage areas, travel zones, additional service fees, ferry/parking or other surcharges, technician coverage, and dispatching priorities. It gives you complete control over where your company operates and how work is assigned. If you already have zip codes in a comma-separated list or CSV file, ServiceJan makes importing them fast and simple. To generate zip codes for a specific area, select Find Generated Zip Codes inside a defined area or inside radius. Search for any city or service region you cover, or mark a radius or defining an area. For this example, we'll use Kansas City. Once the zip codes are displayed, simply copy the results. Next, create a new area. For example, we'll create an area called Kansas City. If the area requires an additional travel fee or surcharge, you can enter that amount here. Otherwise, leave it blank. Select Edit Zip Codes. If your zip codes are already comma-separated, simply paste them into the field and click Save. If you prefer using a CSV file, the process is just as simple. Column 1 should contain the zip codes. Column 2 can contain any additional travel fee associated with each zip code. You can always click the information icon for examples and formatting instructions. ServiceJan supports multiple import formats to make setup as easy as possible. If importing zip codes with travel fees using a comma-separated format, enter zip code, hashtag symbol, travel fee. For example, 10001 #25, 10002 #25, 10003 #35. This allows travel fees to be assigned automatically during import. Once your area and zip codes have been configured, you can assign the area to one or multiple technicians. You can also set technician priority levels directly from the area settings or technician profile. Priority levels help ServiceJan dispatch work more efficiently. There are 3 priority levels: P1, P2, and P3. P1 represents the highest priority technician for that area. ServiceJan is designed to make territory management flexible and efficient. In addition to importing zip codes, you can also export coverage data in multiple formats. Exports can include zip codes with or without travel fees, technician assignments with travel fees considering top priority levels, and other territory-related information. Properly configuring territory management also helps customer service representatives, dispatchers, accounts that create work orders in your portal themselves, and customers using the ServiceJan Marketplace app or integrated into your website, ServiceJan request form instantly determine service coverage and any associated area requirements. This improves scheduling accuracy, reduces manual work, and helps ensure every service request is routed to the right technician. Thank you for using the ServiceJan platform.